Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Sony Xperia 1 Mark V, and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So today I'd like to show you two different ways, and let's start with your contacts. So let's open your contact list, find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it, not edit but block basically, and then tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on block numbers, and your device will of course ask you if you really want to do it, because you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from this number. So simply confirm it with tapping on block, and as you can see, your device will show you this characteristic icon, which simply means that the number has been blocked. Of course you can unblock it the same way right here, but let me leave it like this. Because in the second way we will check if it will appear on the blacklist. So referring to the second way, we will be able to add the number to a blacklist kind of manually, so you do not have to have it saved on your contacts. So in order to open the blacklist, we have to be on the contacts, recents or favorites. It does not really matter. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on the settings. Now let's tap on blocked numbers. And as you can see, this is the number we just blocked from our contacts, so everything went fine. Here we have to tap on add a number, and as I said, more manual way, so we can enter the number. You can of course paste it here if you've got it copied, tap on block, and as you can see, it will immediately appear on the blacklist. You can also turn on the option to block calls from unidentified callers, private callers, and numbers which are not in contacts. Of course, you can unblock it the same way, just by tapping on the X button and tap on unblock. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.